We were looking for a solution to retrofit a lift in our house, which did not really have space for one. We could only find a maximum of 1 meter by 1 meter space. Conventional lifts were ruled out because of shortage of space, and then we came across this option of a hydraulic lift from GMV. What we loved about this product is its super silent operation. It easily fit into the limited space that we had. We could customize it to match the home decor. It can accommodate a wheelchair, and most of all, it has all the safety features of a regular lift. We are really very happy with our decision. The lift has been running for over a year without any maintenance issues whatsoever.